Hi guys, introducing the lightning ball from Lightning Stick. This is a 1/7 inch thickness blade, 11 colours, has 3 fonts of sand, and this one's a silver. I'm not sure if you can see that in the dark. And I'm just going to change the light colour for you to check it out. 11 different colours it has. So press and look for the 2 flashes and hold again. So 2 flash and then hold. So now the colours just keep rotating. So there you go. That's how you change colour. And here we have the flash mode. And it has a switch noise, swish effect as you swing the saber. Also has clash on flash, so when you hit something, it would so it has a clashing noise, as you can see. It's rechargeable. Charge it here. What? The blade's removable. So there's a screw here, not sure you can see it, that you can remove. "100 centimeters long, durable blade, and like I said, the blade's replaceable, so you ever go to undamage it, you can replace it. Awesome. And this one, it's got these little outlets here, or slits here, which lets the light out, so it looks very cool. This plastic, it's brand new, I haven't taken it off yet, the plastic. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.